So we woke up this morning to the ash from Etna. We're about an hour away from Etna, so you can imagine in Catania what it's gonna be like. So yeah, I'm just trying to clean all this ash, volcanic ash, from our porch. It's absolutely everywhere. It's good for the plants because it's fertilizer, but yeah. So this happens quite a lot in the southeast side of Sicily. Is this black ash from volcanic ash from Etna. Gets everywhere, and we don't have one of those little robot cleaners for the pool because our pool's so tiny. So yeah, might have to just empty this water and start all over again, which is a pain. Even inside, it's got into through the windows, because we leave the windows open because it's so hot. Black ash everywhere. We've made a few attempts of going kayaking, but obviously it all depends on the sea and the winds. But today
I've looked at the weather predictions, isn't too bad.
So hopefully it will all go to plan. We have packed all our kayak stuff, and we are going to go and have half a day of kayaking and obviously go for a nice swim. So we're going to take you with us. Okay, here we go again, stuffing the smart up with all our little bags. Bye, Nini. See you later. Okay, let's go. Wow. Oh, we're getting through this little tunnel here. We did it! Well done, babe. Fantastic. Woo, look at that. Beautiful. That's what we got through. I was panicking. As normal. Massi was very brave. Okay, this is where everyone jumps off the cliffs. Let's go and disturb them. Wow. Beautiful area, look at that. Beautiful. Bought a couple of pastries, and we're gonna stop and have those in a bit. I've walked above here before and I've definitely filmed from above. Yeah, we came with our British friends Jill and Les, but it's great to see it from beneath, eh? Yeah, you lazy guys, didn't want to come. Look at that. Wow. And I got Massi rowing. Okay, we're gonna go into one of these caves. Actually, I prefer the other one, Mas. This is really dark. And I know there's going to be some bats, definitely. Ooh. No, we're not part. Oh, it's so cool. Wow. Stunning. It's huge. Can't believe this. Stunning. Color of the water. Look at that. Wow. Should we go into the other one? Let's go into the other one. Okay, this is a lot smaller, lighter, just as pretty. Wow, fantastic. I promise I am helping Massi. It's just that I have to film as well. Yeah. So this is the famous La Marchesa or Sentiero del Gessominetto. That's where we walk above. Look how packed it is. And it's Monday. I might just stop here and go for a swim because I love this stretch of sea. Stunning with my goggles. I got my new little goggles. Can we anchor here, Mas? Look, over there. Just over there. So we're just parked here a little bit. Parked all our things on the rocks. I'm gonna go for a quick swim. Wow, beautiful. Thank you. We just got una sfoglia, prosciutto e formaggio, ham and cheese. Cheers.
Cheers, mate. How's the food?
The location is better.
It's been some time that we've tried to do it. I haven't been doing it for a while. Maria and I have just been trying to go out. We've gone out now eventually. The sea's been pretty nice today. Before we didn't go out, obviously due to conditions. The kayak, we had a few technical problems. Easy to resolve. I'm gonna have to do a quick revamp on everything.
Yeah.
It's the first time out this year, so yeah, that'll be.
Like it at home, you have to like it.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to dismantle it and take it apart and have a look. And I need to review it. Very nice day today. Very hot, damn hot. But yeah, nice. So, keep on rowing. Row, slaves, row! Other way, babe. You're going to Malta. Turn the boat around. You're going to Malta. Attention, attention. We're going to Malta. Maria's not navigating properly. That's it, baby. Keep rowing like that. Yeah, man. Row that boat. Are you enjoying yourself? I definitely am.
It's hard.
Keep rowing. Row! I was going to say the B word. Okay.
Okay, we've packed everything up. We had about an hour on the beach, it was lovely. And now we're going back to the car. Look at Massi. Okay. And this is my situation here, and the bag's breaking, which is not very good, but anyway. Okay, so we've just stopped off at the supermarket. We've picked up some spaghetti, some white wine. I'm gonna make a nice little spaghetti dish tonight. We are both off, which is a rare occasion, isn't it? Massi's dying, and so am I actually. We are quite unfit, and we're gonna suffer tonight. But anyway, see you at home.
Satisfaction.
Yes, great. This is stunning. If you guys come to Sicily, you need to get this. It's cream coffee. It is cold, it's lovely. We're just having it now.
Coffee cream.
Love it. Look how nice that is. Can't take him anywhere.
Today we're going to make everyone's favorite, tiramisu. It's going to be really easy. Don't need many ingredients. You've got your Savoiardi biscuits, which you call ladyfinger biscuits in English. Very Italian. 4 eggs. 250 grams of mascarpone cheese. Piece of lemon. Some coffee. I have diluted a bit with water. And 120 grams of sugar. Let's go through the process. First you separate your eggs. So you want to get your whites and the yolk of the eggs separate. So you do that quickly. So that's 4 eggs. Remember, 4 eggs. You don't need, it's only 2 of us, so we're not making a massive one. Obviously the size is for 2 people. Actually, this would be for 4 people. 4 eggs, an egg each person. Some people don't know this, some people do. When you want to whip your eggs, the white of the eggs, take a lemon, take a little bit of lemon juice, squeeze it in there. Obviously you want to take the seeds out. And you whip that up very nicely. Whipped it up quite stiff, as you can see, hardly moves. It's like a meringue mix, so you want that quite stiff. I'm going to put that in the fridge while I do the rest. Next you take your egg yolks and you add your 120 grams of sugar. Put that all together and you whip that up as well. You want to get a nice creamy thick base of that. So it needs to be quite whipped up. I don't like using too much sugar. If you want to use more sugar, you should go 150 grams. 120 for me is just the right amount. Made me row around the whole island, and now she's got me whipping up some eggs and sugar.
You weren't the only one rowing.
Yeah, but my arms are sore.
Come on, you wimp.
Okay, so it's going white. Look, a nice white compost in it. It's going from yellow to like a pale color. It needs to be nice and thick. She's eating the chocolate while I'm doing that. Okay, so I've whipped it up for about 3-4 minutes. I've got a nice creamy base to that. Look, it is very creamy. The sugar is quite well mixed into the egg yolk. So at this stage, you get your mascarpone cheese and you whip that all together as well. You can put it in all at the same time, it's not a problem. That's 250 grams of mascarpone cheese.
Yeah, you had to buy a new one, didn't you?
Yeah, because she ate the others this week.
Basically, I've invented this a layer of cracker with a little bit of mascarpone cheese on top and forest fruit jam on top of that. It's almost like a mini cheesecake. So I ate a quarter of the mascarpone and I had to buy some more.
Making a little creamy crackers with mascarpone cheese. Okay, as you can see, I've got lumps inside here. So I've almost got all the cheese mixed in. There are a few lumps. I just have to make sure that there's no lumps in it, because you don't want little creamy lumps in it or cheesy lumps in it. So it's almost done. That is really getting nice and thick. Look at that. Okay, so I've got the egg whipped up, and I've got the yellow of the egg whipped up as well, with the mascarpone cheese in. Now I'm going to fold in the white. It's going to give it volume. That's why we fold it in. We don't whip it in. So you take it bit by bit and you fold it in. Slowly, slowly, you take it bit by it at a time and you put it in. Don't put it in all at the same time. It's not going to be nice. You see, it's getting all air in it. That's what you want. As you can see, the white has got a little bit of unmounted white in the bottom. You don't want to pour it in. You want to take it with a spoon and put it in. Otherwise, that white is not going to make it stay as firm as it is. Look how nice and firm that is. Right, so Maria's going to give me a hand now. What I'm doing, I'm putting a little bit of cream that you whipped it all up together, and you're going to put it on the bottom. You're going to base it on the bottom.
Cover the bottom, basically,
you're going to cover the bottom with some of that cream. And Maria is going to stop eating chocolate, and she's going to now take the biscuits.
Savoyard, lady fingers. They're lady fingers?
Yeah, lady fingers.
That's
You're going to dip them in once, twice, once on one side, once on the other side, quickly.
Yep.
Okay, and now you're going to lay them all like little soldiers, all like together. Doesn't matter. Okay. It's a square bowl.
We can do that together, I think.
Yeah. You don't really want to wet the biscuit too much. It gets too soggy otherwise. So you just dip it in one side and dip it on the other side and get on to the next one. Once, twice. Oh, no, that's it. Give me that one.
You done? How many layers do you do?
2. Oh. So you've layered your first layer down, coffee, biscuits and cream. So you take another nice big dollop of it, even 2, actually 3, because there's going to be enough cream for another layer. Yeah. And you just carefully get it to the edges as much as you possibly can. Another little bit more, and that's going to be for the next layer what's left in there.
Yeah. Right,
so this is your next layer of finger biscuit, lady biscuits.
You've been saying
lady finger biscuits, and you're going to just do that next layer of them, and you're going to put them all in the same way you did on the last layer.
So it's like a sweet lasagna.
Yeah, maybe you could call it that. Yeah. This is my little secret. A lot of people know about this, a lot of people don't. I've taken chocolate and I've crumbled it up. Well, I've shaved it with a knife. You take that just before you put your next layer of cream on, and you get your milk chocolate and you sprinkle that on top.
It's a nice little trick.
Gives it a little different
crunch.
Touch. Yeah, and it gives it kind of a chocolatey crunch. You don't want to exaggerate with that. If you like a lot of chocolate, put more. That's it. Ow. You get your last bit of cream and you put all of that on top.
Wonderful.
And you layered it completely. Put it in the center and you can just
spread it out.
Spread it all out. Don't know if I mentioned before, the coffee, don't put sugar in it. There's enough sugar in this dish as well. So you take your last bit of chocolate, cocoa powder. I like using the without sugar in it, and you give that a nice little coat on the top. So you want to cover the whole lot like it's just like I've done now. Once you've done that, pop it in the fridge, and I would say after an hour, eat to your heart's desire.
Very nice.
So that's your very quick tiramisu.
Thanks, Mas.
You're welcome. Well, a piece of chocolate in my mouth. That's the tiramisu I've done. It's a bit messy, but it's nicer.
Rustic.
That's going in the fridge.
I'm going to make some dinner tonight, and I'm just going to make some spaghetti. I've got a bit of sausage, so I'm going to try and make like a white sauce, which isn't really white, but I'm just going to like cook up the sausage with some garlic and onion, and then I'm going to add some white wine to it. Might add some flour to that just to thicken it a little bit, reduce that sauce with the whole sausage and everything that will release all its juices and flavor. And then I'll just make some spaghetti to go with that, and then just pop some parmigiano on top. It's an experiment. Let's see what happens.
Enjoy your meal, folks.
And
And a bit of beer while I'm waiting for my dinner.
Beautiful.
Wow, look at that sun.
Amazing.
You see that? Very pretty.
Proviamo questa pasta. Looks quite nice, doesn't it? Schön.
Oggi ho fatto una...
So I'm in the middle of Ortigia, and we're going to show you my friend Karen. She's also a work colleague, her little apartment right in the middle of Ortigia. And if you're interested, you can contact her. I'll give you all the details at the end of this video. Hello, Karen.
Hi, welcome, come on.
Take a little look around this lovely little apartment. Oh, this is so cute. So here we have the kitchen, fully furnished kitchen. Little coffee machine. Then we go into, so it's a monolocale, which means it's a one big room divided. So here we have the sleeping quarters, lovely. So fresh in here. Nice cupboard, TV, chest of drawers. Coming out from here, back into the kitchen, aircon, little cortile, courtyard, lovely little tables, table and chairs. Then we go into the laundry room slash bathroom. So we've got washing machine, lovely shower, brand new tiles and everything fitted just recently. There we go. Sink, mirror, toilet, and little window. Okay, so that is it. It's a lovely little apartment, obviously for two people, right in the center of Ortigia. You do not need a car, everything is here. Thank you for joining us on our little journey around the coastline, and also joining us on living our simple Mediterranean life. Hope you've enjoyed this week's video. Check out our Patreon page, and alla prossima. Arrivederci.